Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my entire squishy collection. So yeah, let's just get started. So first I am going to start off with the common. So I have this jumbo panda bun with a pink bow. I have this capybara san ice cream sandwich. I have this jumbo turtle bun. I have this Daiso one, which is really dead. I have this J-Dream Taiyaki fish. I have this jumbo eye bloom peach, and this is the first one that came out. I have this reproduced Hello Kitty donut. I have this Ayoma Tokyo milk bun. I have this Bretto Murphy bun. I have this Sammy Pop Shower donut, and this is the first production, so not a repro. I have this One Piece Beppo bun. I have this jumbo cupcake. I have this little toast, and its face is peeled off. I have a bunch of little stress balls. Here's another one. And then I also have a football. And then I have this little bagel squishy. I have this non-licensed Hello Kitty cream puff. I have this medium blush bun. I have this pink panda bun. I have this reproduced capybara san pancake stack. I'm sorry that nothing is focusing. I have this red bow mini panda bun. And I have this little blush bun. I have this reproduced Hello Kitty strawberry. I have this reproduced Hello Kitty soap. I have one of these little Gudetama water squishies. I have this Hello Kitty dorayaki. I have some more mini panda buns, so there's this little red bow. I also have this boy face. I have this Hello Kitty macaron. This mini bun. This Gudetama squishy. This little chocolate have another mini bun. And then I also have one of these mochi squishies, or squeeze toys. So, yeah. Next, onto my licensed squishies and kind of rare-ish ones. Not that I really have any rares, but yeah. So I have this Hello Kitty bunny. And this is probably as rare as my collection gets. So, yeah. And then I have this Hello Kitty alpaca. And that's basically it for my rare squishies. I have this Hunimaru Husky Bun. And this is a reproduced one. And I also have a panda design. Both super squishy. I have this Billy the Whale. I have this Cafe Dien ice cream cone. And then I have a gelato. A cream puff. I have this iBloom orange. And then I also have an iBloom apple. And these smell really good, by the way. I have this Cafe Dien cake slice. And then I have a pink one. I have this yellow iBloom peach. I have another yellow iBloom peach. And then I have a pink design. I have this iBloom Baby Taker. And then I have this Ayoma Tokyo chocolate waffle. I have a non-repro Hello Kitty donut. And then I have another one of those. I have one of these strawberry melt Hello Kitty donuts. And these are super squishy and pretty, and they smell really good too. And I have a watermelon design. And I have this birthday cake design. And then I have this Cafe Dien ice cream cone. I have some of the Hunimaru seals. So I have this mini peach one. These are super little and cute. And they're really squishy. And I have the chocolate ice cream one. And they smell really, really good. And I have these iBloom hamsters. So there's Poco. And then I also have Momo. Oh my god. Okay. I have this melon Hunimaru seal, and this is the jumbo one. Super squishy, and it smells so good. And And then last but not least, I have this jumbo Punimaru pancake stack. Has the bananas. Super so amazing. And ginormous and heavy. So that goes on top. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you enter my giveaway. So yeah, bye!